Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make kitchari. What we're going to need is yellow mung dal, basmati rice, coconut oil, Kitchari Spice mix, salt, and water. Now let's begin. First thing we're going to do is rinse our yellow mung dal and basmati rice until the water becomes clear. Make sure that you're using cold water and use your fingers to rinse through. And just keep on rinsing your fingers, running your fingers through the rice and the beans. And you can notice how the water is very cloudy. And just keep on doing this until it becomes more clear. Now that the water is clear, we're going to set it aside and get everything else going. We're going to be using a very simple rice cooker, which you can get online for about $12. It only has 2 dials, keep warm and cook, so it's very simple. What you're supposed to do is put the coconut oil in, and then you can put a wooden spatula or anything else heavy that you find so that it keeps it on cook. And then you're supposed to wait for the coconut oil to heat up, but I accidentally put the Kitchari Spice mix in before I let it heat up, but it's probably going to taste as good. So once your oil is heated up, then you add the Kitchari Spice mix and the salt. And then you mix it around. Now that the spices and oil are all mixed up, I'm going to add the rice and mung dal. And then we're going to mix this until it's all coated. Now that the rice and mung dal is all coated, we're going to add our water. And now mix this up. And then make sure that it stays on cook. Then put the lid on, but leave it open just a little crack. Check on it every 15 minutes just to give it a little mix, and this should take about 30 to 45 minutes, and then it's ready. Kitchari is a traditional Ayurvedic dish that is known for its ability to detox your body, and it's also balancing your 3 doshas. Kitchari is so healthy and so nutritious. It's great any time of the day, but especially great before you go to bed, as it's very soothing. It helps you relax before you go to sleep. Kitchari is great for everyone, but especially babies and older people, as it's very soft and soothing to the belly. The kitchari recipe normally calls for ghee, but as a vegan, I substitute that with coconut oil. But you could also use vegan butter, but I think coconut oil is healthier, so that's why I choose to use coconut oil. It's been about 15 minutes, and now we're going to check on our kitchari and give it a little stir. Wow, it smells amazing. The kitchari is ready. It's super delicious and super nutritious. It's probably the best thing you can put inside of your body. I know that I'm going to have a great night's sleep tonight after I eat this, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Always remember to think good thoughts, speak kind words, feel love, be love, and give love. Namaste, and thank you for joining me.